The program finds all computers on the corporate network in one of several ways, including the IP range scanning or Active Directory. After the computers are added to the list, you need to collect the inventory information from each of them. To speed up the process, you can scan only the information you need. Data polling can be carried out automatically on a schedule with a specified frequency. This can happen in the background without operator intervention. Done. The computers have been polled, and you can start working with the received data. You can view the information about the hardware that's currently installed on the computers on the network. In the short summary, we can see what hardware is on each specified computer. Like with hardware, the program collects all information about programs installed. You can get the following information: what operating system is installed, what programs are installed, license keys used, startup folder content, and more.
Please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get recent notifications on our new interesting videos about the network administration and monitoring.